and I'm playing Angry Birds Star Wars, and if you want to watch, just keep watching, and if you don't, just get out of the video. So let's start.
So what level you on?
I'm on level, what was it? Let me check. I'm on level 5. And if you don't know what Angry Birds is, you just have to shoot these guys. And I'm playing Star Wars, so these guys, you can shoot pigs and kill the birds. And I just done goofed. And look how much guys I have. 21 of them. So yeah.
I'm trying to get everything in.
Huh?
Trying to get everything in.
And
I'll
this
get a
is
close
really
up
hard.
of these. Get a close up of these.
This is so hard. Oh yes, come on. Oh, one more. One more. Come on. Comment down below what was it called? Let me check. Comment down below what this. Comment down below which is the
Code.
The code for Angry Birds, so I can unlock stuff. Yeah, so and I'm doing this. I can't do any more because that's why I need the thing.
Code.
Yeah, the code. Can't do any more. So I'll just start from the start. Just start.
I'll put it in code.
Okay, level 1. This one's quite easy because I finished it yesterday. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you don't know, just do that. And I'm sure you know.
And this is on a computer.
Yeah.
No.
My brother's behind the camera.
Hey. This is level 2.
Yeah, level 2. Damn it. Yes! Yay! Yay!
Oh, you're not going to be able
Wait,
to...
I just need to go get something.
But you're not going to be able to, like, upload the video yet. You need the internet to do it.
So, my internet's really bad here. Because I know this is my house, but it's we changed the internet thing.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. So, yeah.
This is only level, like, 3.
Yeah, it's really. And this is all I'm gonna show you. And oh yeah, so bye. See you later.